Hey, what's going on, Mr. Black Ambassador? Hey, Black Ambassador, what's going on with your bad self? Man, I heard somebody out there call me Stick Willie. Man, hey, Black Ambassador, what's going on with your bad self? Man, I'm glad to see a lot of these turkeys made it through the holiday. Hello, Mr. Worldwide Black Ambassador, Stick Willie on the top side, the west side, cruising this big minister's getting on down. Hey, Popeye, Illinois, why do you want me to take Black Ambassador with me, man? That guy figure he a legend. Should I believe he started off as Kawasaki Kid out here on the west side? Hello, Mr. Popeye. You say you somewhere around Lambo Region? Stick Willie on the top side of Cali getting on down. Popeye, man, that $2 bill was in there with you, man. I believe that's what he said. I don't think it was $2.50. But I did hear somebody up in there with you. I believe he said $2, but that's all I got, man. All righty, mighty fine. Let me go ahead and ease on back, man. We did a bunch of remodeling over here over the holidays. Doggone it. Now I got a damn speaker in the doggone in the meeting room giving me tips. Take it easy, take care while I'm doing a little testing. Stick Willie on the west side, clearing home. Bye bye bye. Say he all the way down to a quarter and a penny. Man, I just turned this damn microphone down a little bit. Whew, that made a big difference. Oh my goodness. All right, let me go ahead and ease on back and see, man, I'm running out of damn chokes to put on that damn surround sound. Take it easy, take care, Popeye. Stick Willie on the west side, got down.
If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.